1 by 8 divided by 3 by 4. Try to solve this simple mathematics and comment your answer to get featured in this shoutout list. Whatever your answer will be, right or wrong. Okay. So we will use here the PEMDAS. There is no need, but we will use here PEMDAS and stepwise mathematics, and also the KCF. KCF stands for keep change flip. So here 1 by 8 divided by 3 by 4. Both are the operations, fraction. So we will use here KCF. KCF. In KCF, keep change flip, we will keep 1 by 8 as it is and change this division will be changed to multiplication, and 3 by 4 will be 4 by 3. Okay. Now when we do simple mathematics, 4 times 1, 4 times 2, that is 8. But you can say simplify 1 times 1 by 2 times 2. Or you can say 1 by 3 times 2, that is equal to 6. So here right answer is 1 by 6. And if you're seniors, then must check out our best product link in the description. Like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.